Hey guys, it's Dalton from National Parts Depot of Florida, your parts powerhouse with everything you need to get your classic back out on the road and headed to the shows. In today's video, you'll get a behind the scenes look at what it's like to host the NPD booth at the Lake Mirror Concours car show in Lakeland, Florida. Justin and I are going in style down to Lakeland, Florida in this sweet 1989 Ford Econoline 350 XL. I was speaking to Rick Schmidt and he told me this used to be an NPD transfer truck that would transfer parts from the Florida location to various other NPD locations. This was one out of two vans, the other one rusted out, which they eventually got rid of, but this was the survivor. Many years ago they did restore the exterior of the vehicle, including the paint and some trim pieces, and the interior is mostly all original. That includes the dash, the upholstery, the carpet, and the headliner. Check out that working door buzzer. Isn't that awesome? Now before we head to Lakeland, let's get this van loaded up. After the tables, we got the catalog boxes. We go from this to this. Tons of parts to put on display. All loaded up and ready to go. Saturday, October 18th at 5 a.m. we hit the road in the Econoline, headed down to Lakeland, Florida, an hour and 50-minute drive. After a nice cruise, we arrived at downtown Lakeland. Right as we arrived, we were greeted with a bunch of classics. Good morning, y'all. We're here, downtown Lakeland. Gonna grab the tables, get the booth all set up. It's nice that Justin and I are both car guys and we have the opportunity to ride in such a sweet classic van and to host the NPD booth all day and talk to a bunch of amazing classic car enthusiasts. Once we finished setting up the booth, it was nice to take a step back and to check it out in all of its glory. We brought tons of catalogs of all the different vehicles we sell parts for to hand out to people, and a bunch of GM and Ford parts to check out on display. And remember, if you'd like one of those catalogs, you can give us a call at 800-874-7595 or come into one of our locations and grab one. And you could also request one off of our website, npdlink.com. From our perspective, sitting at the booth, there was a bunch of exotic cars featuring McLarens and Aston Martins parked in front of us, and they were all very nice people. To the right of our booth, there was tons of Cobras lining the street. As I walked, I've noticed there was tons of spectators filling the streets of downtown Lakeland. Check out this sweet green 67 Chevy truck. It had a little bit of a modern twist to it, but it was very nice. There was also this really nice custom 56 F100 Ford truck. This patina rat rod 52 Chevy definitely caught my eye with the motorcycle on the back. Check out this super clean 78 F100 Ranger XLT. Love the paint job, love the trim, love that original looking interior. If I had to pick a truck at this show, I would definitely pick this one. Very nice example of a 70s Ford truck. And remember, we do carry parts for 48 to 96 Ford trucks. Now, if you prefer the earlier years of the F100s, here is a very nice fine concourse example of a 59 F100. Check out this sweet purple Chevy truck. Remember, we do carry parts for 47 to 1998 Chevy trucks, like these 68 to 72 side marker light assemblies.
Don't get me wrong, it's you I'm in love with. You got to know it ain't no me.
Check out this very unique, one-of-a-kind 65 Chevelle Malibu that started its life as a 4-door, but 2 doors were removed from the driver's side and the 2-door post version was inserted, making it quite a conversation piece. This custom-built marvel was started in 2009 and finished in 2011, and it is one of one. If you need any T-Bird parts, we do carry parts for 55 to 57 Thunderbird. This T-Bird has a 351 in it. It's definitely packing some power. They call it Thor. Check out this very nice red 67 Camaro, which is the first year GM introduced the Camaro, which we carry parts for 67 to 81 Camaro. We also carry parts for 67 to 81 Firebird and Trans Am, like these fender emblems and the sail panel emblem. Check out this sweet 72 Chevelle SS. We do carry parts for 64 to 87 Chevelle, El Camino, and Malibu. Check out Justin's pick of the show, a really nice gray with black stripes 69 Camaro. And this would be my pick of the show, a 72 Pontiac Trans Am with 30,000 original miles, original paint, stripes, interior, and drivetrain, which is powered by a 455 HO and a Muncie M22 Trans with a 342 Posi. Such a clean example of an early Trans Am. Check out this beautifully restored 68 Malibu. As I was filming the car, the owner called me over and mentioned that he did purchase the roof panel and the quarter panels along with many other parts from NPD. It was very nice seeing a vehicle that had our parts on it at a show. Here's another 67 Camaro. This one's black on black with a vinyl top. We do carry 67 taillight bezels along with the jacking instructions decal and the limited slip differential decal, the trunk mat, and of course the trunk latch, the trim ring and center caps, and the console gauges, and the legendary seat upholstery front and rear. Check out this laser straight black 68 Mustang coupe with a vinyl top. I spoke to the owner for a little bit and he said that he purchased a new hood and deck lid from us, and they're looking sweet. One thing I definitely have to mention is that people were loving the 89 Econoline parked next to the NPD booth, just complimenting it so much throughout the day, saying how clean it looked and how true to original it looked. Our good friends over at Mecum Auctions had a booth at the show as well, featuring a very nice Cobra. .333, we're packing up the booth and we're getting ready to head on back 2 hours north to Ocala. Let's get on the road. Thank you all for watching this video. If y'all enjoyed it, definitely show it some love down below and comment down below letting us know if you'd like to see more videos like this from NPD. Remember, NPD is your parts powerhouse. If you need any parts for your classics, contact us with the phone number or the link down below and get your parts today or request your free catalog.